Hello everybody, Ivona here. Welcome to my review video of the product software named Getresponse. Getresponse is an email marketing software that will help you in your business. In this video I will show you the inside, how it looks like and how you can use it in your business. Now we are in a Getresponse dashboard, as you can see. From there you have quick actions. You can create a form, you can create a landing page, you can add contacts, create autoresponder, then a newsletter. You can create a newsletter, then tips and tricks. You can sign up for a free webinar from the company, so you can learn more about this software. Then you can browse resources if you have a question about something, and you can ask them. They have a help center that is available to you 24/7. From there you can select a list. These are just one forms that I created in the past. Then you can see here your contacts, then your landing pages. Then you have a referral program. If you refer to your friends this software, you will get $30 per every friend who joins. You can learn more there. Then autoresponders, you can see your open rates, your name of the autoresponder, and that's all. Now I will show you, we will go into Tools tab. In a Tools, as you can see, you can have contacts, email marketing, autoresponders, website builder, landing pages, forms and pop-ups, forms, reports, e-commerce tools, automation, webinars, conversion funnel, paid ads, chats, files and images, integrations and API, and webhooks. Let's go into contacts. From there you can see your lists. As you can see, I created 3 lists. If you want to create a new list, you just need to go create a list. Click that button and enter your name of the list that you want. And when you do that, just hit create, and list is created. And if you want to delete it, you just need to go on 3 dots, and you can import contacts and contacts to that list. You can make these lists as a default. Then you have settings to the list, show contacts. From this list you can show all the newsletters that you created for this list, and you can show autoresponders, all the autoresponders for this list. You can send message, and also you can delete the list. List deleted. Then you can add contacts into the list. You just need to select the list that you want the contacts to be added to. For example, let's say this, and then how do you want to add contacts? Email address, you need to provide with email address and the name, and just add contacts. Okay, the last is a search. You can search the list by a name or an email. This is if you have a lot of lists. And a lot of contacts. Yeah, from this you can search your contacts who joined your lists from this. Then the next, and you can see the origin from where they signed up. Is it form, is it a landing page, or something else? You can see when they subscribed on, you can see on what day on the autoresponder they on. You can see IP address, origin, and then segments. You can see your contact statistics, general performance of your contacts. You can see your new contacts, what percentage, then the number of deleted contacts, and list trends for every list, how new contacts were added, and how they were deleted. Is it deleted manually? Is it unsubscribed via email link? Is it through API, automation, other, and hard bounds? Then the next thing is you can see your list hygiene. Then suppression lists, custom fields. You can import statistics and tags. The next is email marketing. From here you can create your newsletter. In order to create it, you just need to hit that button. It needs to load up. You can title your message, from what email address is gonna be sent from, and to what email address they can reply to. Then you can select your subject line for your newsletter that you will be sent. Then you can add recipients where will be sent to that newsletter. You can design here your message in your content and just send immediately, or you can schedule it for later. Then from here you can see all the drafts that you created. Then A/B tests. You can see which one you can create a version A of the newsletter and the version B of the newsletter with a one change, for example headline, or with a subject line, and to see which one performs the better. You just need to create the A/B test. Then you can see my templates here, RSS to email, and statistics. Okay, that is email marketing tab. The third is autoresponders. This is where you can set up automated emails to your subscribers. In order to create the autoresponder, it's similar to the newsletters. You just need to hit that, create autoresponder. You just need to title your autoresponders, and this is very important. For what list you're creating these autoresponders, you just need to select the list that you're creating our autoresponder. Then here you can select the day that your autoresponder will go. It can be 0 day, that means that it will be sent immediately when the subscriber signs up to your email, or you can wait a day for them to receive that autoresponder. You can select the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, when they can receive it. from email address and what email address they can reply to. Then you can choose the subject line of the autoresponders that they will see. It needs to be enticing in order for them to open up and to see your open rates high. And here you just need to hit this and you can design a message. Let's see how it looks like. You have a bunch of templates that this company provided you. Here you can see your templates that you created. You can see black templates, existing messages, and HTML editor. They have a lot of templates. Or you can choose a blank template if you want to. And to create your newsletter or autoresponder from scratch. Here you have 1 column, 3 columns, 2 columns, and a completely blank template. Then the next is website builder. I don't know. Let's try again. The next is landing pages. From there you can create your own landing page. In order to do that, you just need to create a landing page, hit that button, and from there you can build one from scratch, and they provided you with a lot of templates that you have. As you can see, there's a lot of them for different types of occasions. As you can see, it's general, sign up, registration, then promotion, downloads, sales, about me, webinars, video, thank you pages, holidays, and you from here you can see the one that you already created. You can view it online, you can edit the page, you can edit settings, duplicate the landing page or to delete it. Then the next is forms and pop-ups. This is something new. You just hit create. You can choose do you want a pop-up or embedded in a page to be like a pop-up is if when you hit on a website and it pops up to you. If it's embedded in a page, then it's that. Okay. Then the next is forms. You can see I already created a lot of forms. If you want to create new form, you just need to hit create a form. And it needs to load up. From here you can see all the forms that they provided you with. There's a lot of them. You can choose the category. It can be general, it can be newsletter sign up, free course sign up, event sign up, free download, feedback, Facebook, blank order, seasonal form, ask a question. There are a lot of forms. Okay, the next is reports. From there you can see all your reports for your autoresponders, automation, contacts, and other stuff. The next is e-commerce tools. You just need to connect your store and set up marketing in a Getresponse. You will get promo codes to attract more customers. You will have personalized product recommendations to entice repeat buyers. You will have abandoned cart emails to recover lost sales. You will have segmentation to target buyers based on purchases, and you will have e-commerce stats to check your sales numbers. The next is automation. Here you can create your automation workflow. This is how it looks like. Then webinars. You need to upgrade your account in order to create webinars. If you're on basic. Then conversion funnel. You can grow your list with conversion funnels, then sell online and build brand recognition. The next is paid ads. You can create a Facebook ad, drive traffic to your product pages. And you have Facebook and Google ads. And the next is chat. If you have any questions, they will immediately reply to you. And then files and images, then integration in API. These are some plugins that they have. Integration with WordPress, Amazon, BigCommerce, ClickBank, Etsy, Eventbrite, Facebook Ads. They have integration, Facebook Pixel, Google Ads, Google Analytics, PayPal, Salesforce, Shopify, Stripe, Square, Slack, Twitter, WooCommerce, Zoho. They have a lot of integrations. Then integrations by Zapier, API, callback custom, connected apps, product feeds. And here you have interactive guides. You can watch and learn more about this software. You can import your contacts. You can create a website quickly from here, create and send an email. This is the notifications. This is help, email us, tickets, your tickets, live chat, help center, and marketing toolkit. And this is, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this review video. If you want to try out this super cool software, the link will be down in the description below, and when you sign up via my link, you will get a 30-day free trial of this software. Thank you for watching.